Hi guys, this is Rabi in a new lesson. So this is lesson 7 about countables and uncountables. So what does that mean when we say countables and uncountables? For the countables, there are words that can be used as units. Here I'm talking about words that can be used with a number, like $1, 1 car, 20 houses, etc. Uncountables are words that can't be used as units but used as a mass. We cannot use numbers with them, like money. We cannot say 3 monies. In English we say countable. En français on dit dénombrable, dans le sens que on peut utiliser un chiffre avec, on peut utiliser un nombre avec. بالعربي نقول كلمة قابلة للعد، بمعنى أن يمكننا أن نستعملها مع عدد. In English we say uncountable. En français on dit innombrable, dans le sens qu'on ne peut pas utiliser un chiffre avec. بالعربي نقول غير قابل للعد، لا يمكننا استعمال عدد مع الكلمة المعنية. So we go for some examples. Money as a word is uncountable. So I mean here money, not what it means, but the word M-O-N-E-Y is uncountable. Dollar and euros are countable words. We can say $1, $5, 500 euros, $1 million, $1 million euros. Water is uncountable, and any liquid word is considered as uncountable, like oil, petrol, tea. But bottles is a countable word. We can go from 1 bottle to 1 million bottles. Here we have an example of 4 bottles. Milk is uncountable. It's a mass word. It's a liquid, just like oil. So we cannot use it with a number. But for bottles, we can use it with a number, so it is countable. We can say from 1 bottle to 1 million bottles of milk. Coffee is uncountable, so we cannot use it with a number, so we cannot count it because it's a mass word. But for cups, we can say 2 cups, 3 cups, 100 cups, etc. So cups is a countable word. Tobacco is uncountable, so we cannot use it with a number because it's a mass word. But for cigarettes, it's a countable word, so we can use a number with cigarettes. In the example here we have 3 cigarettes, so in a packet of cigarettes there are normally 20 cigarettes. The word chocolate is uncountable. We cannot use it with a number, so we cannot count it 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates. But for bars of chocolate, this is a countable word, so we can go from 1 bar to thousands of bars. As you see here, Snickers chocolate bars, about a dozen here. Uncountable word is sugar, because it's a mass word. But in this picture we have bags of sugar, so the word which is really in concern here is bag, not sugar. Bag is countable, sugar is not countable. So here we have 8 bags of sugar. The same thing, meat is a mass word, it is uncountable. But kilos of meat is a countable word. So here we have an example of 2 kilos. So meat uncountable, but kilos is countable. Grams is countable. Bread is uncountable because it's a mass word. You cannot use it with a number either. But here in the picture we can see loaves of bread. So bread is uncountable, but loaves are countable. Here we have 4 loaves. Luggage or baggage is uncountable. But for suitcases, bags, handbags, this is countable. So here we have an example of 7 suitcases. Petrol is uncountable because it's a mass word. But we say barrels of petrol. Here we have 6 barrels of petrol. So we say barrels, gallons, liters. How many liters, how many barrels, how many gallons. Another word which is uncountable is pollution. Okay, now let's see some expressions used with both countables and uncountables. First, let's start with the expressions used with countables. Remember the words that we can count are countables. So, in English we say a lot of. En français on dit beaucoup de. بالعربي نقول كثير أو عديد من. In English we say many. En français on dit beaucoup. بالعربي نقول كثير أو عديد من. In English we say not many in the negative. En français on dit pas beaucoup. بالعربي نقول ليس الكثير أو العديد. In English we say a few. En français on dit peu ou peu de. بالعربي نقول قليل من. Now let's have a look at some expressions used with the uncountables. In English we say a lot of. En français on dit beaucoup. بالعربي نقول كثير من. In English we say much. En français on dit beaucoup. بالعربي نقول كثير من. In English we say not much in the negative. In French we say pas beaucoup. بالعربي نقول ليس الكثير. In English we say a little. En français on dit peu, peu de. بالعربي نقول قليل أو قليل من. For the questions, in English we say how many for the countables. En français on dit combien. بالعربي نقول كم. In English we say how much. En français on dit combien. بالعربي نقول كم كذلك. So how many for the countables and how much for the uncountables. Now you practice.